children, in today's session we shall learn about the apostrophe from our grammar book. Apostrophe. Look at the following sentences. Ricky uses to tell about things that belong to his friends. This is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. He uses apostrophe as a special sign to talk about these things. It is called an apostrophe and S. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership a noun. That shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. For example, the cat's dishes. The apostrophe S shows that the dishes belong to one cat. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. For example, Tom's hat. The word Tom's is the possessive noun. Certain rules are followed to form possessive nouns. We add an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. For example, the witch's broom. We add an apostrophe S to a plural noun that does not end in S to make it possessive. For example, the deer's antlers. A contraction is a shorthand word made by putting two words together. For example, you plus or can be said as you are. The apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. You are a wonderful person. Some more examples of contractions are that plus is can be said as that's our car. I plus have is equal to I have. I have got the teddy with me. I plus would can be said as I'd. I would study hard. It plus is can be said as it's. Yes, it's my cat. Some contractions are formed by putting a verb with the word not. For example, can plus not can be said as can't. We can't go out to play as it is raining outside. Is plus not can be said as isn't. Isn't that your cat? So children, I hope all of you understood the grammar point of the apostrophe. Now all of you open page 23 in our grammar book. Lesson 7, the apostrophe. Here we can see on screen some picture. We will read out one by one. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. These are Bunty's shoe. Here see children, Bunty's shoe. So Bunty after use apostrophe yes shoes. These are Bunty's shoes. By using apostrophe, they can frame a sentence. This is Veda's house. Whose house? This is Veda's house. Next one. This is Veena's dog. Whose dog this is? This is Veena's dog. And next one. These are Mantu's books. Mantu's books. And next one is, this is Ashok's ball. Whose ball is this? This is Ashok's ball. This is Hari's bag. Whose bag is this? This is Hari's bag. Okay. See children, next page. Write sentences as shown in the example. Here we can see on screen some pictures. By using apostrophe, fill the blanks. This pen belongs to Nisha. Whose pen is this? This is Nisha's pen. Okay. And next one. This kite belongs to Nitin. Whose kite is this children? This is Nitin's kite. Whose kite? Nitin's kite. And the next one. This cycle belongs to Azar. Here, whose cycle is this? This is Azar's cycle. And the next one. This toy belongs to Harsha. Whose toy is this? This is Harsha's toy. And the next one. Read who's who. In the picture, we see a family where one is related with the other, like Ashok and Preeti. Ashok's wife Preeti. Preeti's husband Ashok. Next, Mr. Mehra and Mrs. Mehra. Mr. Mehra's wife Mrs. Mehra. Mr. Mehra and Mrs. Mehra are Ashok's parents. Okay children? Like that. Karuna and Kishore are Ashok and Preeti's children. Karuna and Kishore's grandfather and grandmother are Mr. Mehra and Mrs. Mehra. These are the relations of family members. Here see, complete the sentences using apostrophe. First one, Ashok is Preeti's husband. Whose husband here? Preeti's husband. Next one, Preeti is Ashok's wife. Karuna is whose daughter? Preeti and Ashok's daughter. Okay. Remaining try on your own children. 4, 5 and 6. Write the names here. Apostrophe A used in many kinds of relations. Okay. Here see children, on page 25 onwards, revision test 1. Based on lessons 1 to 7, grammar exercises are there. Try to fill the blanks. Page number 25 onwards 27. Okay. That's all for today's work. Read and write grammar point, lesson 7, apostrophe. Okay. Thank you.